What do you want? An ESL story. Hi, I'm a genie, and this is my lamp. I can give you anything you want. What do you want?
I want an ice cream. I want a cockroach ice cream.
Here you are.
Thank you.
What do you want?
I want a new bicycle.
Here you are.
Thank you.
What do you want?
I want curry. I want pizza. I want tomatoes.
Here you are.
Thank you.
What do you want?
I want the fan.
Here you are.
Thank you.
What do you want?
I want the dog.
Here you are.
Woof woof. Thank you.
What do you want?
I want money.
Here you are.
Thank you.
What about you? What do you want?